Yeah, children, today we will discuss about the plugs and sockets. Children, what is a plug and what is a socket? Okay. So, children, if you take any appliance in our house, like fridge, TV, geyser, do you have plugs, children? Do you have plugs, children? Do you have plugs? Say yes or no. Oh my God, oh my goodness. Girls, do you have plugs for them?
So for the syllabus,
My goodness, you people don't answer anything. I will tell. Okay, so children, for any instruments, we have plugs. Children, plug. Okay, when this plug, if you see, if you take a plug, we will keep this plug in the socket. Children, socket will have two holes. In the two holes, we'll put the plug. Children. Okay, what is a plug? What is a plug? Plug is a fixture. Plug is a fixture provided with, okay, provided with three metallic, okay, you know, say children, the plugs will have metallic, no, metallic, normally usually they will be made of brass, metallic brass pins in an ebonite case, in an ebonite case. Okay, children, normally three plugs will be there, children. Plugs, this plugs will be three in number, children, three in number. The upper one is always earth wire, that's it. Upper one is always earth wire, and lower two ones are live wire. Left one, right one is neutral. Left is live, right is neutral. Left is live, right is neutral, children. Okay, in three pin plug, this is three pin plug, three pin plug. Okay, top pin is always earth wire. If you see, sir, how do you know top pin is earth wire? Means it will be very long, it will be very broad, and it will be very thick. Why it will be long means there is a reason. When you are putting in the socket, first this will go and touch, children. When you are putting in the socket, when you are putting in the socket, first this will go and touch, then live wire and neutral wire. First, first everything will occur, then live wire and neutral wire will go and touch. So that if ever any problem is there in the appliance also, everything is doing first, no, all the extra current or anything will go into the earth and user will not get any shock. Why this is made long? Because first when you are putting in the plug, this will go and touch. Then live wire and neutral wire will touch. So that any problem is there also, everything will take care and send all the things into the ground. And live wire and neutral wire. And it is broad and thick. Why it is broad and thick means this one, by accidentally, by mistake also, you should not put them in live wire and neutral wire. That's why it is long, broad and thick. Accidentally also, you should not put them in live wire and neutral wire. They will be small, they will be thin also. This will be big, they will be small. This will be big. If you put also pin, this will be big, this both are small. So this one you can't put here like that. Earth wire is topmost pin. In the three pin plug, topmost pin is earth wire, down wire is live wire and neutral wire. Okay, children? And even children, a good quality plug will also be written as ELN, earth live and neutral wire. Okay, children, if you see the pin, carefully watch, children. Pins here, there will be little split will be there, children. If you might have seen, a split will be there. Split is made up of spring action, children. So when you put it, after going inside, first they will compress and they will go inside and they will expand so that you can put tightly inside, children. Okay, this will have spring action so that after putting in the socket, children, it will hold them tightly. Okay, children, it will compress after going inside, it will expand. It will compress after going inside, it will expand, so that the spring action is for tight fixing in the socket. Good quality pins. Okay, children, and always the pin is at the top and is thicker and longer, and so that why it is longer, so that the earthing occurs faster. Okay, children. So on plugging, whenever you keep this the three pin socket in the plug, children, first because everything is occurring, user will never get any shock. User will not vary because earth wire thicker. So by mistake also you won't put in live neutral wire. When you're putting the earthing will occur first. Any defect in the instrument, earthing is there, so all the current goes into the earth and user will not get shocked. So you will ask, sir, sometimes we will have only two pin plug. No, sir, for that no problem. Yes, children, two pin plugs will be there for which there is no requirement of earthing, children. There is no requirement of earthing. There will be two pin plug. Earthing is not required. For them, live wire and neutral wire only will be there, children. Earth wire won't be present. Okay, children. This is about plugs. Anyone have any doubts in the plugs? You can ask me, children. Anyone have any doubts in the plugs? You can ask me, children. Sockets. Next one is socket. Children, what is socket? Socket is a fixture where plugs are inserted. Socket is a fixture where plugs are inserted. Okay, children. Normally, children, your house. If you see, it will have like this, like this, like this, like this. It will be there. Okay. Top one is what, children? Earth wire. This is live wire. This is neutral wire. This is live wire. This is neutral wire. Top one is always earth wire. Okay, children. So left is live, right is neutral, children. Safety precautions, what we should take. Okay, children, safety precautions. The children, inner walls of this sockets also made up of brass only, children. Inner walls, inside also, this is also made up of brass. This is also made up of brass, and this is also made up of brass. Brass is a good conducting and helps in conduction of. Okay, children, what are the safety precautions you should take while working with the plugs and sockets? Okay, children. So, what are the safety precautions? Number one safety precaution is, children. Number one, hands should not be wet. Hands should be dry. Compulsory. If you touch with your hands, you'll get shocked, children. And plugs should be tightly fixed. Plug should be tightly fixed. If it is loose, it will catch fire. Loose connection may give sparkling or sometimes burn off. And now what is the color coding for the wires, children? For the wires which you are using in the house, live wire, in olden days it used to be red, children. Now they are following brown, children. In olden days it used to be red. Now they are following brown. If you open the box case, whatever wire you see red or brown, brown is live wire and neutral. In olden days they used to keep black, children. Now they are keeping blue. Whereas earth wire, in olden days it used to be green, children. Now they are keeping green or yellow, children. Proper color coding is very, very important because a repairing electrician will come and open, no, children. By seeing the brown wire, immediately you think live wire, he will be very careful with that. Earth wire and neutral wire, no problem, but live wire should be very, very careful. Color coding help us to know connecting switches, fuse, because, children, where we will keep switch to the live wire, where we will keep the fuse to the live wire. Okay, and connection sockets where we will put when you are putting sockets also, here we will connect earth wire, here we will connect live wire, here we will connect neutral wire. So which wire is what color? If all are of same color, how can you identify them? Different colors, if you give only connections, while doing connections you will understand which one to give what connection. Okay, children, now we will study about high tension wires. Now we will study about high tension wires. You might have heard high tension wires, children. They will be bringing current to our house, children. High tension wires. Okay, what are high tension wires, children? Children, every wire has certain current limit, children. More than that, it cannot bring. Every wire will have certain current limit, children. More than that, if you bring, what happens? It will catch fire. If it will hold 5 amperes, it can withstand only 5 amperes. If 10 amperes is coming, it will catch fire, short circuiting may occur, overloading may occur, anything may happen. And to avoid high voltage and heavy current, high tension wires, children, normally to our house, 220 volts of current is coming, very high current. And 220 volts of current is coming means we have to use high tension wires. What is a high tension wire? Okay, children. So what is a high tension wire means it should have low resistance. Think, children, it should have low resistance and it should have low resistance and more surface area, more thick. What are high tension wires characters? It should have low resistance and large surface area. Why low resistance? Because current always to prefer go from low resistance path. Why low resistance? Because current prefers to go from low resistance path. Why low resistance? Because everyone prefers to go from low resistance path, current also. And why more area, children? Because more area means it will radiate heat to the surroundings quickly from time to time. because more current is coming, no children. If it is more current is coming, it will become very very hot. So if it is very thick, what happens? It keeps on radiating heat to the surroundings quickly, time to time. So instead of taking single thick wire, what these people, when they are sending current to our houses, what they will do, instead of taking one thick wire, they will take many thin wires. Okay, they will take many thin wires insulated from each other, and what happens, they will twist them. They will twist them like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Many thin wires they will take and they will twist them. Many thin wires they will take and twist them, and they will make it thick wire. They will make it thick wire. Why thick wire? So that it radiates heat quickly from time to time surrounding to the surroundings. Why heat will develop? Because high current is flowing in high tension wires, cable wires which are coming on the top of the house. Okay, so instead of taking one thick wire, what these fellows will do means they will take many thin wires and they will twist them and make it very thicker, so that it will have low resistance and it will have more surface area. Why more surface area? It radiates heat quickly to the surroundings. Okay, children. So, children, again I'm telling what are the precautions we should take. What are the precautions? So normally we should not touch anything with wet hand, children. We should not touch anything with wet hand, and earthing is very very important. Earthing is very very important. No touching with wet hand, and fuse you have to keep it properly, and local earthing also should be done near the kilowatt hour meter, children, and you should use good quality wires, children, because good quality wires will have proper insulation, children. Good quality wires will have proper insulation. If you use poor quality wires, what happens? Insulation will be very weak. When insulation is very very weak, they will melt and two wires may touch and they may catch fire, children. Dangerous. So these are the safety precautions we will use. So children, this is the end of the lesson. What is the first I told? Plugs. Then what I told? Sockets. Then color coding. Then high tension wires. Plugs, sockets. Okay, what I told, children? I told about plugs, I told sockets, I told color coding, high tension wires. Okay, plugs, the topmost bit is earth wire. It is long, broad, and thick, so that earthing will be done first, and user will not get shocked. And in sockets, children, top one is earth wire, down left is live, right is neutral wire, children. And live wire current coding in olden days red, now they are falling brown. Neutral wire in olden days black, now they are falling blue. Earth wire olden days green, now they are falling green or yellow. High tension wires, they should have low resistance and more surface area. Instead of using one thick wire, they will use many thin wires and twist them and make it very thick. Many thin wires, they will twist them and make it very thick. They will use many thin wires and twist them and make it very thick. Instead of using one thick wire, they will use many thin wires and make it very thick, children. Like this, high tension wires will work out, children. This is about plugs, sockets, live wire, high tension wires. Plugs, sockets, live wire, high tension wires. This is our plugs and sockets, children. Okay. Anyone have any doubts? You can ask me first.